What's up guys? Kumusta kayo? It's me again, Joseph Kate. So for today's video guys, let's talk about credit card delivery. Pag-uusapan natin guys kung paano nga ba i-check yung status ng delivery of your credit card para malaman nyo kung nasaan na siya, kailan siya darating. At the same time, pag-uusapan din natin guys yung tips para sure na makarating sa inyo yung credit card ninyo. Nung nag-apply kayo, tapos na-approve, tapos hanggang sa ma-deliver na, pag-uusapan natin guys para successfully delivered talaga siya sa bahay ninyo. Magbibigay ako ng tips. Pero bago yun, nais muna kitang imbitahan na mag-subscribe sa YouTube channel ko kung bago ka pa lang kasi marami pa po akong i-share ng mga tutorials, knowledge, and experience of mine in the future. Kaya naman huwag niyong kalimutan mag-subscribe para updated kayo lagi sa mga vlogs na i-upload ko. Yun lang po at sobrang maraming salamat po. So as you can see guys here, credit card delivery status can typically be tracked through your bank's mobile app. So, ibig sabihin guys, yung credit card delivery ninyo is maaari nyo siyang makita using your BDO online banking, BPI online banking. Like for example, yun, Metrobank, depende kung ano yung credit card na i-deliver sa inyo. Tsaka, pwede kayong tumawag, guys, para mag-follow up. Mamaya, i-share ko sa inyo yung further details kung paano tumawag sa banko ninyo or sa credit card na yan para mag-follow up, para malaman kung ano yung status ng delivery of that bank credit card. Can be tracked through BDO Bank's mobile app, official website, or the courier service using a tracking number provided via SMS. So as you can see dito guys, or the service courier or the courier service using a tracking number provided via SMS. Kasi like for example guys, si Union Bank. Example lang ito guys ha. Kahit hindi naman Union Bank yung credit card ninyo, okay lang. Basta ito ay example lamang. Like for example kasi si Union Bank is LBC yung courier nila. Which means, si LBC yung magde-deliver ngayon ng credit card sa bahay ninyo. Si Union Bank ngayon is magsisend ng tracking number sa registered mobile number. So ano nga ba yung sinasabing registered mobile number? Noong nag-apply kayo ng credit card, kung ano yung nilagay nyo, yun yung magiging way para malaman ninyo kung ano yung reference number or tracking number ng credit card na out for delivery para sa inyo. Kaya naman guys, kapag nag-apply kayo ng credit card, make sure lang na yung ilalagay nyong mobile number is active talaga siya. Hindi lang mobile number, pati email. Kasi doon kayo makaka-receive lahat ng notification about the status of your credit card delivery. Most cards are delivered within 10 to 13 business days post-approval. So, kadalasan guys, antayin nyo muna yung 10 to 13 days kasi minsan, naman, dumarating din naman talaga siya. Yun nga lang nadidelay. Kahit minsan, umabot ng 14 days or 15 days. Kasi minsan, nagkakaroon ng problema sa shipping. Alam mo yun? Kaya naman be patient. Ngayon, kung 15 days na, since 10 to 13 banking days, yung most of the time or most time frame given ng bank na darating sa bahay ninyo, after 13 days, wala pa rin dumarating, maybe it's time na tumawag sa banko to follow up, then check niyo yung official website para i-enter yung tracking number para malaman yung status ng delivery ng credit card ninyo. Post-approval guys ha, right after makareceive kayo ng approval message like for example, congratulations, your credit card application has been approved. So ngayon pa lang kayo magsisimulang magbilang ng 10 to 13 days. Requiring a tracking number and in some cases, a reference number for updates. Diba, minsan naman reference number. Like for example, sa BDO. Nag-apply kayo ng BDO credit card sa online. At the end of your application, the moment it says your application has been successfully processed or submitted. Di ba may binibigay na reference number? Isa din yun guys na kailangan ninyo kapag magpa-follow up kayo or mag-check ng status ng delivery ng credit card ninyo. Kaya naman kailangan maging aware kayo na pagkatapos nyo mag-apply online or kahit saan man yan, anong mode of channels man yung application na ginawa ninyo, pag binigyan kayo ng reference number, make sure na itago nyo yan. Kasi kailangan nyo yan if ever na follow up kayo ng credit card delivery. Ngayon, let's talk about how to check delivery status by bank or service. So ngayon, pag-uusapan natin guys kung paano nyo malaman yung status ng delivery ng credit card ninyo. BDO. Use the BDO website to check status or request redelivery often with SMS updates upon dispatch. So kapag BDO credit card yan guys, yung in-applyan ninyo tapos na-approve, punta kayo sa official website ng BDO. Hanapin ninyo yung tracking of credit card delivery. Tapos, yung reference number na binigay nila, ilalagay mo doon para malaman kung ito ba ay approve, kung saan na, ano na yung status ng delivery. Ganun yun. Kung Metrobank naman, use the card application and delivery feature in the Metrobank app using your 14-digit reference number. So, kung Metrobank naman yan, guys, pwede rin naman sa Metrobank online application or Metrobank application, gamitin niyo yung 14-digit na reference number. Ilalagay nyo para matrace or ma-check ninyo yung status ng credit card ninyo. Ngayon, kung BPI naman yan, halimbawa BPI credit card yan, yung in-applyan ninyo, log into BPI Online Banking and visit Application Status Inquiry or call their 24-hour center. So as you can see guys, sa BPI Online Banking, punta kayo sa Application Status Inquiry, then of course, ipoprovide ninyo yung tracking number or yung reference number. Pwede rin naman tumawag kayo sa customer service ni BPI. Kung Union Bank naman yan guys, check via the mailbox feature in the Union Bank online application by creating a support ticket. Siguro aware naman kayo guys, halimbawa kung ano yung credit card na gusto nyong applyan. Like for example, Metrobank, BPI, East West, Union Bank, kung ano pa man yan. Aware naman kayo na may mobile banking sila. Uso yan ngayon. Kaya naman, before kayo mag-apply ng isang credit card sa isang bangko, make sure na aware kayo kung ano yung meron sila. Para at least hindi kayo nahihirapan mag-follow up, para malaman kung ano yung status ng credit card delivery, ganyan. Kung Security Bank naman, yung credit card na yan na inaasahan ninyo na i-deliver, use the courier website tracking number or the app's chat with us feature. So, sa Security Bank, guys, is nagbibigay siya ng tracking number. Pinapadala yan sa mobile number or sa registered mobile number or sa email. Ngayon, kailangan nyo i-check yon para malaman ninyo kung ano yung status ng delivery ng Security Bank credit card ninyo. Then, pwede naman guys, sa Security Bank online application, click ninyo yung chat with us. Tapos, i-assist kayo dyan ng customer service representative and then, yun, malalaman nyo, pwede kayo magtanong kung ano yung status ng credit card delivery ninyo. Kung RCBC naman, yung credit card na yun na inaasahan ninyo, use the Ask Erica chat service on their website. So, sa RCBC official website, guys, hanapin ninyo yung Ask Erica. Tapos, tanungin ninyo, pwede kayong magtanong doon, then, hahanapan lang kayo ng reference number, iproprovide nyo lang siya, tapos ibibigay nila kung ano yung status, kung nasaan na siya, kung nag-return to sender na ba, then para mag-request kayo ng redelivery. Key tips. Address. Ensure your registered address is complete to avoid failed deliveries. So, ito ngayon yung tips, guys, para sa successful delivery ng credit card ninyo. Nag-apply kayo, nilagay ninyo yung address. Make sure lang guys na yung address na yun is detailed para hindi nahihirapan si courier or si delivery rider na malocate yung address ninyo. Tracking number. The SMS notification from the bank is the most direct way to get your tracking details. Of course, kapag nag-check kayo ng status ng delivery ng credit card ninyo guys, make sure na may tracking number kayo. Most of the time, si banko yung nagpapadala niyan sa registered mobile number ninyo or sa registered email address. Time frame. Expect 10 to 13 banking days for delivery. So make sure lang guys na antayin nyo muna yung 10 to 13 banking days. Mamaya kasi kaka-text lang na approve na yung credit card ninyo, inaantay nyo na agad, 1 day pa lang, 2 days, 3 days, hindi naman ganun kabilis yun. Antayin ninyo yung 10 to 13 banking days. So I think that's all for now. Sana may na-share ako. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos. It's me again, Joseph Kate, that says, why not have cash because we go for cashless transactions. Bye-bye!